Hi everybody, my name is Danielle Jenco and I'm the president of Worldstars USA and the event producer here at the 28th Annual World Championships of Performing Arts. And I am just so proud of Kikupar because not only did he have to endure the fact that WCOPA actually was postponed unfortunately last year due to global events that were going on in the world, he stayed resilient, he stayed communicative through email. And made sure that he was going to come here in 2026 to Las Vegas, Nevada. He navigated all the changes. Originally, you were supposed to go to LA, right?
Yeah.
And then we changed to Las Vegas. And you and your team and your family who all support you were so just diligent and responsive in making sure that there was nothing that was going to stop him from coming here. And what's so beautiful is that not only is he did Kikupar make the final show. As you can see, he also received 3 gold medals and 2 bronze, okay? But he's here representing India by himself. Yeah. He has no national director right now. So if there's anybody out there in India who's looking to become a national director, please let us know. But Kikupar, I am just so proud of you because I do know actually what that feels like to go somewhere and to a place where you don't know anybody and nobody knows who you are and you don't have necessarily a leader to guide you. You're doing it all on your own and how intimidating that can feel, right? But you did it, man, and you made it all the way to the finals. Yeah. He went through preliminaries, then he got to semifinals, and then scored and was selected by our judges as a final show pick and did a phenomenal job. I could not be more proud of you, sir. And you deserve everything that you have received here during your time in Nevada, and I hope you have safe travels home. Yeah. And truly, I'll be honest, I hope to see him again next year in 2027, and more representatives of India as well. Bye.
Pibaro, the Hagabaning Kong and Snoban, I know you play Ubala, Dunrakat, but Nahadu Ganika Clipmat Kavamanta. But Kumjuru, Nasnoban, I could play Yabaro, Ki Bahing Hasam, Ki Parlo Ki Parajor, but Yaki Nonyalambalang, Ki Balakan Mao Yanga, Gijing Dwai. Hadu bangan poy kini kebenta. Wat langam shimyora ekataka Grand Champion Vocalist of the World. Hau ni usnam ubamenta. Andrei ngasukumen pat pangla poy haka top 5 hakani ka World Championship of Performing Arts. Te kinaya kun haka Vocalist of the World haka Grand Finale kibayorong kadi ka USA mga India, Norway, UAE but ka Philippines. Te hagajing Yakop ki ay tangi iway inong job te lai ora no da ka Philippines te wat lakataru ngam syam lawan Pythali haka vocal category vocalist of the world category 18 hadu 24 kamut ka benta ka bangasyam mentana du ningkong khat pra hadu apsaus nam te ngalayo 2 bronze but 2 gold. Te kani kuwi pade ka gold ka day na kamenta bangayo rong siya ka final siya ka top 5. Te kani ngadap na kajing smokumen ka bakraw bangayo banwanra ya kanam ka buram jangkari ke jangi. Te tangom tahi kini baro kiday na kamenta ka snong ka jonga snong Kynshi ka jala ka jonga ka jala Meghalaya bat kari ka jonga kari India. Dapru daga jing smokumen ka bakraw ba nakaliang ki organizers nang ni kinong paniat ki ayang ay ka scholarship hakabay day but ka category jangi khat pra adu at saus nam tingayo ro haka first place ke so ang place boni ki.
Our solo gold medalist goes to Kitkupar Nongsiej of India. Our silver medal for the vocal original works goes to Ïaroh of New Zealand. And everyone, we have a tie for silver. My apologies. We have a tie for silver. Our other silver medalist down to the 100th of a point for vocal original works is Francis Marie from Philippines. And our bronze medal for vocal original works goes to Theos of Norway. For our vocal pop category, the gold medal for our soloist goes to Zinzinwi of South Africa. The silver medal for vocal pop goes to Jenny of the Philippines. If we can please go ahead and clear the aisle, please. Clear the aisle, please. We have contestants who are trying to get their medals. And the bronze medal for vocal pop, senior 18 to 24, goes to Kitkupar Nongsiej of India. Bronze. Moving on to our vocal rap, the gold medal for the vocal rap category, senior 18-24, goes to Cassandra Condi of the United States. And the silver medal for vocal rap goes to Amadine of France. Amadine.
Let's go, India!
Please clear the aisles. Please clear the aisles. We have contestants trying to come down, everybody. Please clear the aisles. And the gold medal for vocal R&B soul jazz, senior 18-24, goes to Kikupar Nongsiej of India. The silver medal for vocal R&B soul jazz goes to Cassandra Condi of the United States. And that was a tie, ladies and gentlemen, a tie for silver for vocal R&B soul jazz, going to John Clyde of the Philippines. We also have a tie. Whoa. We actually have a triple tie for the bronze medal to the 100th, 2 decimal places. Here we go. Our bronze medalists for the vocal R&B soul jazz category, senior 18-24, goes to Alyssa of the United Arab Emirates, Zinzinwi of South Africa, and Joyce from Malaysia. Moving on to our vocal rock, senior 18-24, the gold medal goes to Ïaroh of New Zealand. Our silver medal for vocal rock goes to Jenny of the Philippines. And our bronze medal for our vocal rock category goes to Alyssa of Puerto Rico. All right, everybody, come on up. If we can scoot a little to the right, everybody on stage a little to the right. We have some contestants trying to come up. Awesome. Big smiles, everybody, big smiles. And everyone give them a round of applause to our Worldstar medalists for the vocal categories. And we're all gonna go ahead and bow in 3, 2, 1. Fantastic, go ahead and head off stage right, thank you so much. Kitkupar Nongsiej of India, vocal gospel with a bronze. This is a great theme song for the week. Awesome, everybody. You guys can actually come center stage. Come center stage. It's just the 4 of you. And big smiles, everybody. Give a round of applause for our medalists for our vocal gospel senior 18 to 24. All right, everybody, we're gonna go ahead and bow. 3, 2, 1. Fantastic. And go ahead and exit stage right. Great job.